Good morning, class. Are you ready to learn new things for this day? It is now our fourth week, and today we will answer the week 4 module in science entitled It's Getting Hot, Cool Down and Mix. But before we move to our lesson, let's have a quick review. Last time, we talked about changes in solid materials. We learned that solids can be changed by bending, pressing, hammering, and cutting. Today, we will match the pictures of solid materials in column A with its physical change of appearance in column B. Then, you will supply the blank word with a change in material. Take note, number 5 is bonus because we do not have choice for number 5. In order to answer the looking back, we will read first the choice and then write the letter of the correct answer. After that, we will supply the missing word. Do not worry because I will give you the choices for the missing word. Are you ready? Let's first read the choice in letter A. The ribbon blanks into pieces when it is cut. Which picture describes letter A? Correct. The answer is in number 2. We will write A before number 2. Now, what will be the missing word? Here are the choices: squeezes, folds, tears, and breaks. What will be the appropriate word for letter A? Correct. Tears. The ribbon tears when it is cut. Can you now answer the looking back? That's great. Moving on to our lesson about. We have learned different things about solid. These are: number 1, solid materials have definite shape, volume, and can be held by bare hands. Number 2, solids have different characteristics like size, color, shape, weight, and texture. And lastly, their appearance can be changed in many ways, like cutting, bending, pressing, and hammering. In this module, we will explore different ways on how solid materials are changed physically and when mixed with other solids. We will discuss 3 things or 3 concepts. Are you ready? First, let's talk about solid materials when they are heated. What do we mean by heated? Heated means to become warm or hot. Ito po yung pag-iinit sa isang bagay gamit ang apoy. For example, heating a butter. What happens to butter when it is heated? Great! The butter will melt. Matutunaw po ang butter. It will change from solid to liquid. What is the reason why butter changed its state? It is because of heat or the temperature is high. When the temperature is high, the object melts. So, pag mas mataas po ang temperatura ng isang bagay, ito po ay natutunaw. Paano tumaas ang temperatura? Ito po ay dahil sa apoy. Now, what is temperature? Temperature is the hotness or coldness of an object. It says here, the higher the temperature, the hotter the object is. The lower the temperature, the colder the object is. Did you get that, class? K. Let us now move on to our concept number 2. That is cooling solid objects. What do we mean by cooled? Cooled means to be cold or pinapalamig. Halimbawa, ang isang bagay ay galing sa pagkakainit. Example, nag-init ka ng mainit na tubig. Doon po papasok yung cooling kapag gusto mo nang palamigin yung ininit mong tubig. Let us give another example. For example, na yung undas, ngayong araw ng mga patay, maraming bata ang nangolekta ng mga kandila na tira-tira. So, ang gagawin nila, pagsasama-samahin nila yung kandila. Then, they will heat the candles. At kapag ininit nila ito, matutunaw ito. It will turn from solid to liquid. Then, syempre, hindi mo siya mahawakan, so kailangan mo siyang i-cool, palalamigin mo siya. So, pag pinalamig mo na siya, the liquid candle will turn or will go back to solid. Babalik siya sa pagiging matigas kasi lumamig na siya. What happens to the liquid candle when it is cooled? It will turn from liquid to solid because of the temperature. The temperature becomes lower, and when it is lower, it will become cool. Did you understand, class? Very good. Thus, in concept number 1, we can conclude that when solid materials are heated, their physical properties such as color, size, shape, textures, and form changes. The solid turns to liquid form when it is heated because its temperature increases. Tumataas ang temperatura. Hence, the molecules of solids vibrate and the space between the molecules increases, which causes them to break free from one another. Pag-usapan natin ang molecules ng solid kapag ito ay iniinitan. As we can say, the molecules of solids are compact, dikit-dikit. Kapag ito po ay ininitan, it loosen. Naghihiwa-hiwalay sila ng paunti-unti. Ayun po ang nangyayari sa molecules ng solid kapag ito ay heated. Next, when solid materials are cooled, the liquid turn to solid because the temperature decreases. Pag bumababa po yung temperatura, lumalamig na. So, ano nangyayari dun sa galing sa pagiging liquid niya? Ito ay tumitigas na. Hence, the molecules of liquid move slower, which cause them to bond into a stable manner. So, yung dati na unti-unti ay hiwa-hiwalay, pag siya ay naging cooled, lumamig, babalik siya sa pagiging compact niya or dikit-dikit. That is the concept number 2. Now, let's move on to the concept number 3, or mixing solid materials with the other solid materials. What is mixing or what is mixture? Mixture is formed when we combine two or more materials or substance. There are two types of mixture, the homogeneous mixture and the heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous? Homogeneous mixture is a mixture of two or more solid materials that cannot be distinguishable. Hindi mo na nakikilala kapag pinagsama mo ang dalawang solid. Example, pagsamahin ko ang asin at ang cornstarch. They are both color white. So pag pinaghalo ko sila, nakikilala mo pa ba ang asin at ang cornstarch? Hindi na. Dahil naghalo na sila. So that is homogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous? Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture of solid materials that can be distinguished from the others. For example, an egg sandwich. We can still distinguish the eggs from the buns. So, nakikilala pa natin kahit na pinagsama na natin silang dalawang solid. So, that is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Therefore, in the mixing of solid materials, the physical properties of each solid materials remain the same. Today, we learned what will happen to solid materials when they are heated. Second, what will happen to solid materials when they are cooled. And third, the mixture and its two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching while learning. See you next week. Bye!